Well, turning now to homelessness, it was a full house at a recent town hall on the topic in the Valley. In fact, it was standing room only. Councilmember Krekorian held the town hall to encourage residents to become part of the solution. Anna Marcos reports.
It's another effort to stem the rising tide of homelessness and find some solutions. This town hall on homelessness in the Valley drew hundreds of residents, some supportive of their homeless neighbors, some not so much.
They've got homeless parked on their street in front of their businesses. It's disrupting everything, and nobody knows what to do about it.
We who are fortunate enough to live in a community that can afford nice things should be a little more generous and a little more giving.
I feel that resources for people who need them are diminishing, and it puts more people on the street.
Councilmember Krekorian put on the town hall to bring together city leaders, agencies, and groups that deal with homelessness to answer residents' questions and update them on efforts by the city to fight homelessness.
The homelessness challenge that this city is facing is the result of 50 years of social phenomenon like failure to appropriately address mental health problems, failure to invest sufficiently in substance abuse prevention, the lack of affordability of housing in this city, and the enormous wage gap. It's not going to be a problem that can easily be solved with one simple solution in a short amount of time. It's going to take sustained effort.
Homeless census count figures reflect the growing epidemic. In 2016, the count showed 28,500 homeless people living in LA. But last year, 2017, saw that number skyrocket to 34,000, a one-year increase of more than 20%.
One of the questions that came out that folks were asking is sort of where are these folks coming from? And I think there's a tendency to think that like this is an imported problem. This is not an imported problem. This is a Los Angeles problem.
Krekorian is putting solutions to work in his own district. He hosts Homeless Connect Days, events where homeless people find all services in one place: housing referrals, food, showers, medical care, even DMV ID cards. A new supportive housing complex, a pilot program that links job training and housing, and a center that provides storage for people on the street are also part of this area's game plan. Moultrie Potter, who was once homeless, got help from a Valley program, and he's now ready to follow his culinary dreams.
I want to open up a food truck. My future is bright now. I have so many resources. My mental health is great.
And in this room, it's clear that LA residents themselves are ready to help find solutions to LA's homeless challenges. I'm Anna Marcos for LA This Week.
Other agencies that took part in the town hall included the LAPD, the City Sanitation Department, and the LA County Homeless Initiative.